Hello and welcome to the coaching authorization course here. Today I'm going to be walking you through just kind of our Canvas page as we open up this course and really get to know kind of what's going to take place as we go throughout the semester or the I guess for you guys taking this. However fast you take it, since this course is at your own pace. So here, what we'll do here, we'll go to this first page. This is where you can find your syllabus. Also on here, you'll see just kind of an intro video, and you'll see the process for applying for the coaching authorization. Once you click on here, we're going to go to a document that'll just walk you through what you need to do as you look for it. And I provide you with screenshots in this tab so that you can see what it's going to look like, and you can compare to make sure you're doing the right thing. If you're in this course and you think you may have gotten a license previously or an authorization previously, you can click on this tab here and search for that license number. Down here, go over our course learning objectives. We're going to develop the understanding of the human body and the development of the body and the physiology of the body. Just a basic foundation here. Our second one is understand first aid, sport injury, and prevention. Some things that you can do to prevent injury, to treat injury, and to recognize injury. We'll also cover just theory of coaching and what it means from a Christian perspective in the world that we live in. Coaches are a great avenue to be the hands and feet of Christ, and we'll kind of work through that and have some great discussions there. Our fourth one is understanding the ethics of coaching and being able to problem solve when challenging situations are presented. There are going to be plenty of those as you go throughout your coaching career. The fifth one here is identify how to use my understanding of the human body, ethics, legal aspects of coaching, and theories and techniques to have a true impact on my athletes. So how will I take everything that I work on, that I have here, I've gained, how will I implement that? How will we go about implementing that? Down here you'll see our required textbooks, Sport First Aid and Successful Coaching. And those two are going to be great avenues for you guys to have to look back on. I actually use these two books in my master's courses and thought they'd be great carryovers here for this course as well. And they also meet the state requirements. Two things that you will need in order to gain your coaching authorization through the state of Iowa. The first one is the concussion training, and at this link right here, you click on that, it'll take you right to where you need to go. And the second one is CPR certification. Caitlin Koyman is somebody on Dort's campus that you can reach out to for help, or if you need help locating a training where you live at, I'll be happy to help you. But most cases, you can reach out to the hospital in your town to find those. Technology requirements are here. This course is at your own pace, so you just have to finish it prior to the end of the semester. And that's kind of just the basic overview of the course. And I'll kind of go back here, and you'll see kind of our courses laid out into 3 different modules, going over the things that were previously discussed. My contact information is here. Here's my office phone and my email. And if you need anything other than that, just please let me know. Looking forward to going through the semester.